Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare cursor versus offset pagination. We'll explore how each method works, their distinct advantages, and their potential drawbacks, helping you decide which is best for your application. Understanding these differences is crucial for building scalable and efficient data-driven systems. We'll delve into practical scenarios, discussing when one method clearly outperforms the other, and provide clear guidance to optimize your data retrieval strategies. Let's get started and demystify these essential pagination techniques. Offset pagination, often seen as the simpler approach, relies on the limit and offset clauses in database queries. You might request, for instance, 10 records, skipping the first 20. While straightforward to implement, this method can become inefficient with large datasets, perhaps over 100,000 records, as the database still processes the skipped rows. Furthermore, if new data is inserted or deleted before the next page is fetched, users might see duplicate entries or miss some entirely, leading to an inconsistent user experience. It's a common pitfall to be aware of. Cursor pagination, in contrast, uses a unique identifier, or cursor, from the last item on a page to fetch the next set of data. For example, you might ask for the next 20 items after an item with ID 1234. This approach offers significantly better performance, particularly with millions of records, because the database doesn't need to count or skip previous entries. It also ensures data consistency, as new data won't shift existing pages. However, it typically limits navigation to sequential browsing, making direct jumps to specific page numbers more complex. When deciding between cursor and offset pagination, consider your dataset size and user needs. For smaller datasets, perhaps under 10,000 records, and when users need to jump to specific page numbers, offset pagination is often sufficient due to its simplicity. However, for large, dynamic datasets, or when building features like infinite scrolling, cursor pagination is the clear winner. Its performance benefits and data consistency ensure a smoother, more reliable user experience, even if it requires a slightly more complex initial setup. Choose wisely to future-proof your application.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.